5.Patol Babu film star by Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray, an Indian filmmaker, is a towering figure in the world of cinema, known for his humanistic approach. His films demonstrate a subtle handling of situations and characters. Ray's first film, 5.Patol, won 11 international prizes, including the Best Human Document at the Cannes Film Festival. Apart from cinema, he also wrote several fiction and non-fiction works that also include short stories. Some of them are Mr. Pink and Taboo, The Tale of Shibu and the Monster, The Vicious Vampire, and 5.Patol Babu film star. As the name suggests, 5.Patol Babu is the central character in the story 5.Patol Babu film star. His passion for performing arts drives him to play a minuscule role in an upcoming film. For him, personal satisfaction derived from accomplishing his aspirations is far greater than material rewards. The story begins with Nishikanto Babu visiting 5.Patol Babu's home early morning to offer him a role in a film. Nishikanto's young brother-in-law, who was in the film business, was looking for a 50-ish, bald-headed short man to act in a scene of an upcoming film. Nishikanto Babu was sure that 5.Patol Babu would be appropriate for the role and hence gave Naresh 5.Patol Babu's address. He also informed 5.Patol Babu that Naresh would visit him at 10:30 a.m. The thought of acting in a film was inconceivable, and the news came as a total surprise to 5.Patol Babu. He was so engulfed by the news that while shopping for his wife in the market, he bought red chilies instead of onion seeds and forgot the aubergines. This was bound to happen because at one point in life 5.Patol Babu was fascinated by the stage and was very passionate about theatre. He recalled how he participated in jatras and amateur theatricals, and also remembered how people bought tickets only to catch a glimpse of their favourite actor. However, after performing in a few plays, 5.Patol Babu was engaged with varied occupations such as railway factory worker, a clerk, a manager, and then an insurance salesman. Of late, he was looking out for a job with a scrap iron dealer. Acting was a thing of the remote past, though he would have loved to continue with his hobby. Getting back home with the groceries, he waited for Naresh, who turned up at 12:30 p.m. After sizing up 5.Patol Babu, Naresh established that he would be apt for the role. Naresh instructed 5.Patol Babu to come in front of Faraday House at 8:30 a.m. and that his part would be over by midday. He also informed him that he would have to play a role of an absent-minded, short-tempered pedestrian. However, Naresh did not give him any dialogues. Overjoyed, 5.Patol Babu broke this news to his beloved wife and soon became nostalgic about how he played a dead soldier when he first performed on stage. 5.Patol Babu also boastfully told his wife that he had won many accolades for his performance and even received a silver medal from the municipality chairman. He now dreamt of becoming a wealthy and famous film star. The next morning, Patol Babu reached Faraday House well in advance. Soon Naresh came up to him and appreciated his punctuality. The shooting began as Patol Babu stood under the shade of a pawn shop waiting for his turn. This was also his first chance to witness the shooting of a film. Seeing everyone toiling hard, he was overwhelmed, but kept thinking about what his dialogue would be and what was expected of him. Contemplating about his role and dialogue, Patol Babu's nervousness mounted as he wanted to make the most of this golden opportunity. Besides, he did not want to appear foolish in front of other people, as his last acting stunt was almost 20 years ago. After some time, Naresh came up to Patol Babu and told him that he needs to be ready for his part. Patol Babu also got his dialogue, which was nothing but the exclamation, "Oh!" He also informed that he needs to collide with the actor Chanchal Kumar and exclaim, "Oh!" The world came crashing down for Patol Babu and all his hopes collapsed. He felt the event was a hoax and that everyone was bent on ridiculing him. Disheartened, he moved away from the pawn shop and sat on the stairs. He remembered the happy times he spent while he performed on stage. While thinking about the stage, the golden words given by Mr. Gogon Pakrishi, his mentor, flashed in front of him. According to his mentor, all characters are important, no matter how insignificant their part or role. Even if he got a small part to play, he must not consider it below his dignity to accept it. Mr. Pakrishi also advised Patol Babu that each word spoken in a play is like a fruit on a tree. The actor needs to pluck it properly, extract the essence, and serve it to the audience for their understanding. His advice encouraged him to put his best into the performance, and soon the enthusiastic Patol Babu cleared his throat and started enunciating "Oh" in various ways. After giving the exclamation a different inflection each time, he realized that it carried different shades of meaning. When hurt, "Oh" is said in a different way. Yet another kind of "Oh" is uttered when in despair. Realization dawned on him that there are different types of O's, such as the short O, the long-drawn O, the high-pitched O, and low-pitched O. Along with the enunciation, he also rehearsed for the act. He stood in front of a large glass window and worked out how he would react when the collision takes place and how he would fling out his arms and stoop his body to express both pain and surprise. Soon, Patol Babu was summoned and Baron Malik, the director, gave him instructions that he needs to collide with the hero and exclaim "Oh" in pain. The scene happened as planned, and during the collision, Patol Babu exclaimed "Oh," and after a short pause started walking. The director praised his performance as he had done his job really well. Several years of hard work and struggle did not affect his acting career. Patol Babu was sure that Mr. Pakrishi would have loved his performance. However, he was unsure if the people of the unit would appreciate him. He knew he would get around 20 rupees for his act, but what was that money compared to the intense pleasure and satisfaction he sensed within himself due to his splendid performance? This incomparable and priceless feeling made him leave the sets without taking the money. For Patol Babu, his love for performing arts and internal bliss he derived from it was far more important than material gains. 5.Patol Babu film star thus explores the divine pleasure that one gets from within by accomplishing a cherished passion. The underlying theme of this story is that personal satisfaction is above material gains, which is evident as 5.Patol Babu does not take his fee for his role.